Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your phone is heating while charging. Of course, we are talking about the POCO F8 Ultra. So the thing is that it is completely normal if you are charging your device using the fast charging. It's because it's normal that the battery may heat up during the high power delivery, and so the motherboard, etc. So actually, of course, it's normal if you do feel your phone warm in your hands, not hot or that you can't just hold it. If you do feel like that, go to settings and scroll down to the battery right here. Scroll down and find the most battery usage. Here, the application that uses your battery the most, tap this application. Of course, if it's the POCO launcher or something like that, don't really care about this. If it's some application you don't know, install this application. But if it's the application you don't need, for example, some Messenger, WhatsApp, or every single thing, and you don't really want to receive notifications or don't care about notifications, you can just tap on such application. Let it be, for example, for me, YouTube. And here, if we have tapped the YouTube, tap restrict background applications and then OK. This should let our battery cool down, and if you do this with the every single application you have on your phone. As for the video purposes, I will leave the battery saver, which is the recommended. Apart from that, what I do recommend is to use the original charger and a cable. If you use the original ones, for example, either charger and a cable, it's more safe to use. Of course, if you do have some charger from Temu or AliExpress and the same with the cable, you do have the risk of just blowing up. Your device may blow up, or just the same as with the cable and the charger. Maybe not cable, but the charger or device. Apart from that, avoid using your phone while charging. For example, gaming. If you are using your phone while using gaming, it's just bad for your battery, bad for everything. So please don't do so. Or if you know that your phone does support the charging only the CPU, etc., you can use it while charging. But if you don't know that and the charging is going straight from the battery to the other things in your phone, just don't do so. Apart from that, you can remove the case on your from your device to improve the heat dissipation. As you can see here, I do have the case, so I can take this off. Of course, this is the official POCO case, so yeah, but we can just leave it for a moment. And here, apart from doing and removing the case, what I do recommend doing, and this is the most important thing actually from the list, charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Don't charge your device under a blanket or somewhere else like that. Charge it, for example, on a table with maybe not the window open actually, but just charge it on a table where there is a lot of air and it's just cool and ventilated area. And actually that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.